Welcome to this week's installment of Tech Tuesday. Today what I wanted to show you is the System 1224 by B+N Industries. So that's our modular shelving system. So you see all these the metal shelves here and everything in back. What's nice about this is that they're all magnetized, so even our shelf labels can just stick right on there. And then it's also electrified. So let me show you how we can move the different shelves around and how it'll light up different merchandise that we want. So what I have here is one of the B+N shelves, and I'm able to just basically go up the ladder. And plug it right into here. And you see, once it's plugged right into the shelf, it automatically illuminates the light. Let me take that off. Also, because it's magnetized, we're able to give it basically a facelift real quick here. We can get custom magnets printed from, we use our printing partner Medius. And so I had them create a magnet here that I'll show you how easy it is to kind of transform the space. So just like that, we were able to put a new message up here at the top. This is our inclusive future area. So I think you saw that in our last Tech Tuesday. The final piece I wanted to show you is a different lighting element here. So I can use this lighting element to give me directional light on the banner that we just installed. So let me do that. And you see how I just plop it in and I can adjust the lighting. And there you have it. The banner is illuminated. Thanks for tuning in, and check us out next time.